Hello everyone, let's make a beautiful badge together for the Independence Day. We require some material for the same, that is white sheet, green sheet, saffron sheet, fevicol, scale and blue sketch pen. Here are the some materials I have shown, the cutouts of some paper, scissor, pencil and the bangle. So let's start pasting those paper strips together. So I am picking up one strip and pasting both the edges together to give a drop shape. See, it's looking like a drop shape. So we have to paste all color strips together one by one. We need 4 strips in each color. The size of this each paper strip is 2 cm by 5 inches. Your pasting should be very neat. Be careful when you paste. This drop shapes should be visible when you paste them together. So I am pasting them all one by one, and then how beautifully we will arrange to give them a shape of badge. So you can see I have pasted all the strips. Now we need a circle for the base of this badge. So I am adding a one standing line in the center and one sleeping line again in the center. These lines will help me where and how I am going to paste these strips. See, in this sleeping line I am pasting first white paper strips. On this line, left hand side and the right hand side, I am putting a glue and will paste a white strips first, like this. On that line, between in the center, how I am pasting these strips, you need to paste like this. So now turn to paste another color, that is saffron, because in our Indian flag the saffron color come on the top. Same way we are pasting saffron color strip on the top of this circle. So let's paste this orange strip one by one. See, I'm not leaving the gap, pasting them all together. Just hold it for a while, let it get stick properly. Then I have turned around this circle cutout and now I am pasting the green color strips. Make sure your pasting is very neat. Have patience, don't be in hurry. After pasting them all, we have to make a center part for this badge. So for that center part, we need to make a Ashoka Chakra. So for making Ashoka Chakra, I have traced the 10 rupee coin circle and I am going to cut it out neatly. And be careful for the next step because we are making Ashoka Chakra. So for Ashoka Chakra, we need to make 24 spokes. So how to make 24 spokes in a small circle? You need to look at it. So we need a scale and a blue color pencil. You can take blue color sketch pen also. So I am adding line in the center I'm adding line to another side, and in between the previous line I'm adding 2 more diagonal lines. So I'm dividing this circle into equal parts, and then in between the each gap I'm putting a 2 dots equally with the equal gap. I'm adding the 2 dots in each space. See, like this I have added 2 dots in between each the gap. Same way we all have to do. So now I am joining this line diagonally. Make sure you join the line diagonally. Same step we have to repeat for the full circle. Join the dots and the line, add the line diagonally. Don't be in hurry. See, the spokes lines are coming. So I have done this, children. So what is left? The outer line. The outer line of this chakra should be dark blue. So you can make it dark with a sketch pen or a color pencil, whatever you have. Okay, so now we have to add some more strip to the back of this center portion which we have already made. So these strip sizes are 2 centimeter into 6 inches. So I'm giving the cut, this V-shape cut to the end of this strip. So now we have to paste one side of these strips together. Put a dot like this, how I'm showing. Now put a Fevicol, and at the back of this center part of the patch I'm going to paste these long strips. Make sure your green part should be at the bottom and the orange part of this strip should come on the top as our flag color. And then now I'm pasting this Ashoka Chakra which we have made it already. So paste it neatly, children. After pasting this, our badge is ready to wear. You can wear your badge, and you can make as many as badge your family, for your friends. And enjoy your Independence Day, children. Wish you a very happy Independence